What's up, fam? So I've been able to make about $7,000 plus on airdrops within the last 2 months. Okay, so what I basically do is I make research on airdrops that are under a reputable blockchain. All right, so that is the basic reason why in this video today I'm going to be introducing to you all to the Ping Airdrop VPN. All right, so you get to know about the key features, the possible benefits, and as well how it works in general, guys. Okay, so this includes how you can start farming this airdrop right now as an early bird to actually start accumulating enough tokens for yourself until TGE, guys. Okay, so make sure to stick with me on through this video as I walk you through exactly how you can start farming this airdrop right away. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is End We Done TV. And what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever End We Done TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my Google Docs page right now, and up here says Introduction to Ping Airdrop VPN. All right, and down below here says Ping Airdrop VPN seems to refer to a virtual private network, which is also the VPN service that offers airdrops or rewards. Okay, and down below here that says key features on the number 1 section right here, it says VPN service provides secure and private internet browsing. And the number 2 right here says airdrop rewards offers cryptocurrency or token rewards to users. All right, and down here says possible benefits. So the number 1 right here says enhanced security. VPN encryption protects user data and online activities. The number 2 right here says private browsing. It says it marks IP addresses and locations. Okay, and the number 3 benefit right here is rewards. So users can earn cryptocurrency or tokens through airdrops. All right, so guys, aside from getting an enhanced security VPN encryption that protects your data, online activities, and as well private browsing that marks your IP addresses and location, you also get airdrop rewards that can earn you cryptocurrency or tokens. Okay, so this is extremely amazing, guys. So down here says that the Ping Airdrop VPN is managed on the Solana blockchain. All right, so this actually makes this project highly promising, and as well it's going to gain a lot of momentum in the future. Okay, so down below here says that this blockchain platform supports the Ping network's decentralized privacy layer protocol, which enhances data privacy and security for users through a distributed network of nodes that process and anonymize user bandwidth. All right, so down here says here's how it works. It says earning points. User earns points by maintaining an active VPN connection, with 1 point awarded for every 10 minutes of connection. Okay, so down below here talks about the referral system, and it says that users can boost their points by referring friends using a unique referral code, earning 15% of their invitees total points. Okay, so this is wonderful, guys. All right, so down below here says that the potential token rewards accumulated points may be eligible for future token rewards, although specific distribution dates haven't been announced. All right, so down here says to participate in the Ping network airdrop, users can download the Ping Chrome extension and complete the sign up process, activate the VPN connection to start earning points. Okay, and lastly, guys, it says complete in-app tasks to increase point earning rates. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be leaving my referral code to the Ping network airdrop down below this video description, and as well my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, I'm also going to be leaving the download link as well. So all you just simply do is go over to my groups or the video description, get the download link to the Ping Airdrop VPN, and as well you also get the referral code to start up the whole process, guys. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to be showing you exactly how everything works right here in this video practically, so you actually be guided on how you can do everything, guys. Okay, and lastly, guys, down below here says that the Ping network's use of the Solana blockchain positions it as a significant player in the decentralized physical infrastructure networks, which is the deeping sector. Okay, so guys, this is basically all you need to know theoretically about the Ping Airdrop VPN. Okay, so now let's go see how it works, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on the Google Play Store right now, and this right here is the Ping Network VPN app. Okay, so the download link that's going to bring you over here to the Play Store is going to be on this video description, and as well my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. All right, so when you actually hit on the link, it's going to bring you over here. So while you are here, all you simply do is install the app on your phone. Okay, as you can see, mine is already installed right now. That's the reason why it's showing open right here. Okay, so I'm going to open mine right now, guys, so we'll begin the process together. Okay, so I'm going to hit on open right here. Here we are. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down here that says agree and continue. All right, so as you can see right here, it says use fast VPN endpoints, that's Ping. I'm going to hit on continue right here, guys. Okay, So as you can see, it says tap to connect. I'm going to hit on connect right here. So it's pending, guys. Okay, as you can see, I'm already connected to fastest location. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says N. So right here says season 1 is here. Ping's DevNet is up and running. Help us battle test infrastructure and endpoints. I'm going to hit on this place down here that says next. So right here says stay connected, get rewarded, enjoy fast unlimited VPN while stacking ping points and 1 point every 10 minutes by keeping connection alive. Okay, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says got it. Then right here says boost your farm, complete tasks and invite friends to multiply your points. More activity, more rewards. Okay, so right here that says get back to farming. I'm going to hit on it right now. So right here, all you just simply do next is over here that says log in. You just simply hit on the login button right here, guys. Okay, so right here says get started, secure your connection by signing in with one of the options below. Okay, so I actually prefer using the continue with email option. So I'm going to hit on it right here. I'm going to type in my email right now, guys. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video. All right, guys, so I just inserted my email right now. So down below here that is continue, I'm going to hit on the continue button, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Boom. So as you can see right here, it says verification code. So I'm going to go over to my email right now and just copy the code, and I'm going to be right back here, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I just copied the code right now. So I'm going to paste it right here, and then I just hit on the continue button right here, guys. So let's see how this goes. Boom. Okay, so right here it says claim your bonus, and it says enter a referral code to unlock your 10% boost and start earning rewards. Okay, so I'm going to paste the referral code right here, guys. Boom. So as you can see down below here that says claim bonus, I'm going to hit on it right now. So let's see how this goes. As you can see right here, it says referral code activated. You have just unlocked 10% boost of your farmed point. Stay connected, stay earning. I'm going to hit on this place down here that says got it. Okay, here we are. So guys, my referral code is going to be shown on the screen right now. So you can actually use the code in gaining your point right now. So as you can see right here, it says connect VPN to start earning. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says VPN. So over here that says tap to connect, I'm going to hit on connect right now, guys. Okay, so it's still pending. Okay, so I just connected my VPN right now to fastest location, guys. All right, so if I actually hit on fastest location right here, you can select whatever country you actually want to use for VPN, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So as you can see, I'm currently on Denmark right now. I'm going to be using the fastest location right here. Okay, I'm going to hit on tap to connect again. Boom. So if I actually hit on this place right here that says N right now, as you can see, I'm currently earning at the moment, guys. All right, so that is basically how you can set up your ping network airdrop to start earning right here on a daily basis, guys. Okay, so let's say you actually want to invite your friends right here. All you simply do is hit on the referral section over here, and then you're going to see your referral code right here. So all you just simply do is copy your code, and then you actually give it to your friends. And when you actually sign up using your code, you get points right here, guys. All right, so you can also follow them right here on X, and as well you can also join their Discord. Okay, so that is basically all you need to know about the ping network airdrop right now, guys. Okay, so just make sure you join them on X or Discord to frequently get updates on the ping network airdrop, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says N, and right here that shows this question mark down below here, guys. I'm going to hit on it. Okay, so it says stay connected, activate VPN and get 1 point per 10 minutes by keeping connection. And down here it says boost your earnings, and it says complete tasks like inviting friends to earn bonus points. All right, and lastly, guys, down here that says learn about season 1, I'm going to hit on it. Here we are. So it says season 1 is here. Why build your own product when you can show off your intra? That's what we did. Meet Ping VPN. It's fast, secure, and full of sweet rewards. All right, so down here it says season 1 go, and it says contribute to the community goal that will take us to the next season. Right, so all you can do to contribute right here to actually make some good amount of money for yourself during the TGE is to invite your friends down here, and as well come in here daily to actually turn on your VPN in order for you to earn tokens on a daily basis right here for yourself. Okay, so guys, this is all you need to know about the ping network airdrop for now. On my subsequent videos, I'll be giving you more and more updates about the ping network airdrop, guys. Okay, so if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell icon, guys. So whenever a new video like this one is being uploaded right here on this channel, you're always going to be the first to get notified. And then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.